Friends, here our concept is difference between StackStorm and Extreme Workflow Composer. Let me go with that. See, first of all, StackStorm is open source automation platform under the Apache 2.0 license. Now let me go with Extreme Workflow Composer. See, Extreme Workflow Composer is the commercial version of the StackStorm for automation. So both are same. The only thing, Extreme Workflow Composer is the commercial version. Means we have some added advantages with that. They are like they will give some support, and we have some advanced features like role-based control. We can integrate with the LDAP, and we have some workflow designer, that is GUI, through web GUI. See, actually we have workflows concept with StackStorm, adding clubbing multiple actions. So actually we need to create that workflow from command line by writing some code. But instead of that, if you go with EWC or Extreme Workflow Composer, we will get a GUI. There we can easily design workflows with the help of drag and drop options. That's it. Okay, so that's it guys, but both are same. Only thing, Extreme Workflow Composer consists of some extra features. Okay, thank you for watching this video.